Hello, good morning friends. So today we are going to discuss about past tense. In last video we have discussed about present tense, and we discussed about simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense, when we can use the present tense and the other examples also. So today we are going to discuss about past tense, the action which is already completed. So we can use past tense. In past tense we have also four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. So first of all we will discuss about simple past tense. Okay, so we will see the uses of the simple past tense, when we can use simple past tense. So to indicate an action completed in the past, when we are talking about the action which is already completed in the past, we can use simple past tense. Okay, so to indicate an action completed in the past, the other use is for past habits. If we have some past habits but now we don't have anymore, so we can use simple past tense also. I will tell you the example also. Sometimes this tense is used without an arrow of time. Okay, so in some sentence we cannot see in an arrow of time, but we can say that this is past tense. Okay, simple past tense. So we'll see the example first. I received his letter a week ago. Okay, I received his letter a week ago. So this is an action which is completed already a week ago. ये ऐसा एक्शन है जो एक वीक पहले कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. मुझे वो लेटर मिल गया एक वीक पहले. ओके, आई रिसीव्ड हिज लेटर अ वीक अगो. She always carried her umbrella. So this is past habit. Okay, so this is one of the past habit. She always carried her umbrella. वो हमेशा अपनी umbrella साथ में लेके आती थी. This is about past. So she always carried her umbrella. The next is I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. We cannot see any other word here, but we can imagine that because we have used did or didn't, we can say this is past tense. जब did या तो फिर did not सेंटेंस में हो तो आप ऐसे कह सकते हो कि ये past tense है. ओके, जैसे हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में do और does था, जैसे प्रेजेंट टेंस में do और does था, वैसे यहाँ पे did है. ओके, तो वैसे यहाँ पे did है. जैसे do और does था सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में, तो इसमें यहाँ पे did है. did और didn't यूज करेंगे हम पास्ट टेंस में. ओके, सो I didn't sleep well. सो हम समझ सकते हैं कि लास्ट नाइट की बात है. I didn't sleep well last night. Okay, so this is sometimes the tense is used without an arrow of time. We don't have any arrow of time here, so we can say this is simple past tense. Okay, one more example is he came to my house yesterday. He came to my house yesterday. वो मेरे घर आया था कल. Okay, so yesterday, okay, ago, last week, last year, these are the keywords of past tense. Okay, these are the keywords of past tense. Now we will discuss about the sentence pattern, okay, or formation. So first of all we will discuss about the assertive sentence, negative and interrogative. Okay, positive sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Example here: the police arrested the thief last night. Okay, the police arrested the thief last night. पुलिस ने thief को अरेस्ट कर दिया last night. ठीक है, तो last night is a, we can say is a past tense. क्योंकि यहाँ पे last night है. ठीक है, आप कह सकते हो कि ये past tense. दूसरा यहाँ पे हमने verb के साथ id यूज किया है, V2 फॉर्म. सिंपल पास्ट में हम ऑलवेज V2 फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था कि वर्ब के तीन फॉर्म्स है, V1, V2 एंड V3. तो यहाँ पे V2 फॉर्म यूज करेंगे जो पास्ट है उसका, arrested and arrested. तो यहाँ पे हम V2 फॉर्म यूज करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से आप बोल सकते हो कि ये अरेस्टेड इज की वजह से ये पास्ट टेंस है, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है। तो पुलिस अरेस्टेड द थीफ लास्ट नाइट। ओके, नेगेटिव सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नॉट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, and interrogative did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Let's see the example. The police did not arrest the thief. If we use did here, so we cannot use V2 form. If we use did here, we have to use V1 form. Okay? अगर यहाँ पे did का यूज हुआ है तो हमें V1 फॉर्म यूज करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, जैसे हम उसमें करते थे प्रेजेंट टेंस में, हम यहाँ पे डज यूज करते थे तो यहाँ पे एस और एस लगाने की जरूरत नहीं थी। वैसे यहाँ पे डिड यूज कर रहे हैं तो हमें V1 जो उसका मेन फॉर्म बेस फॉर्म है वो हमें लिखना पड़ेगा। द पुलिस डिड नॉट अरेस्ट द थीफ। ओके, सो दिस इज नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव डिड द पुलिस अरेस्ट द थीफ। ओके, डिड को आगे ले लेंगे, द पुलिस V1 फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट द थीफ एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क। ओके, तो ये हो गए उसके एग्जांपल। तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस बहुत इजी है, कब उसका यूज करना है वो। द नेक्स्ट आई हैव रिटन वन एग्जांपल हियर, वी इनवाइटेड हिम टू द पार्टी। एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं, तो वी इनवाइटेड हिम टू द पार्टी। ये सिंपल पास्ट टेंस कैसे कर सकते हो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इनवाइटेड लिखा है। ठीक है, उसका V2 फॉर्म है, वी इनवाइटेड हिम, सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, अभी नेगेटिव करेंगे तो we did not invite him to the party, we did not invite him to the party। और इंट्रोगेटिव करेंगे तो did we invite him to the party। okay, did we invite him to the party question mark। so this is past tense, simple past tense। I hope you understand very well। अभी हम बात करेंगे past continuous tense की। okay, what is past continuous tense and when we can use past continuous tense and the other example। so past continuous tense they use to denote an action going on at some time in the past। okay, to denote an action going on at some time at the past। अगर past में कोई ऐसी एक्शन चल रहा है, ठीक है, तो और वो कंटिन्यू है तो उसके बारे में हम उसको कहेंगे past continuous tense। फॉर एग्जांपल, we were playing football all evening। We were playing football all evening। तो हम फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे पूरी शाम को, कल शाम को हम पूरी शाम हमने फुटबॉल खेला। ओके, we were playing football all evening। दूसरा एग्जांपल है, it was raining when we went out। ओके, it was raining when we went out। जब हम बाहर गए तब it was raining, तब बारिश हो रही थी। ओके, the students were talking when the teacher entered the class। so when the teacher entered the class, we saw that the students were talking। so the students were talking when the teacher entered the class। okay, बच्चे बात कर रहे थे जब टीचर क्लास में एंटर हुए। the other example is Ramesh was singing while Suresh was playing piano। यहाँ पे दो एक्शन पैरेलल चल रहे हैं, दोनों एक्शन एक साथ चल रही, वो भी पास्ट में। सो दोनों एक्शन चल रही, कहाँ पे कौन कौन से एक्शन है, रमेश वाज सिंगिंग एंड द अदर इज सुरेश वाज प्लेइंग पियानो। ठीक है, लेकिन हमने यहाँ पे वाइल लगा दिया, तो रमेश वाज सिंगिंग वाइल जब सुरेश वाज प्लेइंग पियानो। ठीक है, जब सुरेश पियानो बजा रहा था तब रमेश गा रहा। ओके, रमेश वाज सिंगिंग वाइल सुरेश वाज playing piano। so here you can see the two actions are going on at the same time। so these are the examples। now we will discuss about the formation। assertive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence। for assertive sentence you can see the subject plus was verb plus V1 plus ing plus object। for negative, subject plus was verb plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object। and for interrogative, was verb को आगे ले लेंगे, was verb plus subject plus V1 ing plus object plus question mark। let's see the example। You were studying when he called. You were studying when he called. तुम पढ़ रहे थे, तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे थे जब उसने तुम्हें कॉल किया. You were not studying. अगर नेगेटिव उसको नेगेटिव में करेंगे कन्वर्ट तो you were not studying when he called. Okay, you were not studying when he called. And next is were you studying when he called? Okay, interrogative question mark. Were you studying when he called? Okay, तो ये इसके एग्जाम्पल. अभी जैसे हम hमेशा यूज करते थे सिंपल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में, वैसे हमें यहाँ पे was for यूज करना है पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. was कब यूज करना है, were कब यूज करना है, वो आपको बताइए. I, we, you के साथ, you, we, they उसके साथ, प्लूरल के साथ were यूज करेंगे. बाकी सब जो है उसके साथ हम was यूज करेंगे. जो सिंगुलर है उसके साथ हम was यूज करेंगे. ठीक है. So this is past continuous tense. Okay. Let's see one more example. They were studying English yesterday. They were studying English yesterday. So if you convert into negative, you can say they were not studying English yesterday. They were not studying English yesterday. Or if you want to convert into interrogative question mark, you can say were they studying English yesterday? Were they studying English yesterday? Sometimes you can ask question like that. What were you doing what were you doing yesterday? तुम कल क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing yesterday? आप ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो. किसी का आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना हो कि तुम कल क्या कर रहे थे, तो what were you doing yesterday? So the other person he can say I was studying English yesterday. Okay, वैसे आंसर दे सकते हैं. So this is simple past tense. Okay, the use and the past continuous tense and its use to indicate the action completed in the past. Okay, so we use simple past tense, and when the action is going on at some time in the past, we will use past continuous tense. So this is simple past and past continuous. Now we discuss about past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Hello, good morning friends. So today we are going to discuss about same past perfect tense. Last time we discussed about simple past tense and past continuous tense, when we can use simple past tense and when we can use past continuous tense. So today we are going to discuss about past perfect tense. So when we can use past perfect tense to describe an action completed for a certain moment in the past. If the action is completed in certain moment in the past, so we will use past perfect tense. For example, the patient had died when the doctor came. Okay, the patient had died when the doctor came. It means the patient had died already. He was died already when the doctor came. जब वो डॉक्टर था, जब वो आया, तब तक वो जो पेशेंट था वो मर चुका था. So this is action. We can see the two actions here: simple past tense and past perfect tense. This is past simple past tense. Doctor came. Okay, वो आया. And this is past perfect tense. So has died. So in the past perfect tense, we have to remember the main word is had plus pt. Okay, just like in present perfect tense, have plus pt. In past perfect tense, we will use had plus past participle या तो फिर had plus V3 verb का जो third form है वो. Okay, V3 form. Okay, so the patient had died when the doctor came. The next example is I had finished my dinner by 8 p.m. I had finished my dinner. So it was about the action is completed already in the past by 8 p.m. Okay, I had finished my dinner by 8 p.m. So had finished is had plus V3. Had plus past participle. So this is past perfect tense. Now we'll see the paper. Sentence pattern. Okay. So what is sentence pattern for past perfect tense? For assertive sentence, negative and interrogative. For assertive, subject plus had plus V3, otherwise you can say past participle or PP plus object. For negative, subject plus had not plus V3 plus object. For interrogative, had plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. Very easy, okay? You can remember very easily had plus V3. If you want to identify the past perfect tense, you can say the had plus verb 3, or you can say V3 form. So you can say that this is past perfect tense. Okay, had plus V3. So the criminals had run away when the police came. Okay, the criminals had run away when the police came. Here you can say had plus past participle, had plus V3 form. The criminals had run away. वो already वहाँ से भाग चुके थे. Okay, the criminals had run away. वो वहाँ पे एक्शन फिनिश हो चुकी थी. वो भाग चुके थे वहाँ से. कब? When the police came. जब पुलिस वहाँ पे आई तब तक criminals वहाँ से भाग चुके थे. So both actions are done in the past. This is simple past and past perfect. Okay. So when the police came, जब पुलिस आई तब तक तो the criminals थे वो वहाँ से भाग चुके थे. So had plus will be run, ran, run. Okay. Had plus V3. Subject plus had not plus V3 plus object. The criminals had not run away when the police came. Very easy. You just put here only, not here. Had not run away. Okay. So you can make it negative. The criminals had not run away when the police came. Or if you want to make interrogative, you just put had in the beginning. Had the criminals run away when the police came? Okay. Had the criminals run away when the police came? Question mark. Okay. So this is interrogative. Now we'll see one more example here. You had studied English before you moved to New York. Okay. So both actions done in the past. You had studied English before you moved to New York. Before you moved to New York, you had already studied English. Okay. You can say like that. If you want to make it negative, you can say you had not studied English before you moved to New York. Okay. You had not studied English before you moved to New York. And question mark, if you want to make it interrogative, how can you make it? So, had you studied English before you moved to New York? Question mark. Okay. Had you studied English before you moved to New York? And the question mark. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, past perfect continuous tense. When the action was done in the past, it was continued in the past at the same time. For example, we will see the use first. This tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Okay, so the action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Let's see the example so we will understand more. He had been working as a lawyer last year. He had been working as a lawyer last year. लास्ट ईयर वो एज अ लॉयर काम कर रहा था. ओके. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस में क्या था? वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस में वो काम जब एक्शन थी वो पास्ट में शुरू हो रही थी, लेकिन वो अभी तक उसका इफेक्ट था. लेकिन यहाँ पे पास्ट की बात कर रहे हो, हम पास्ट में क्या कर रहा था वो उस टाइम की बात है. तो ही हैड बीन वर्किंग एज अ लॉयर लास्ट ईयर. लास्ट ईयर वो एज अ लॉयर काम कर रहा था. Next example, the boys had been playing for an hour before the teacher came. Okay, so the boys had been playing for an hour. वो लोग 1 घंटे से खेल रहे थे बिफोर द टीचर केम, टीचर आए उससे पहले वो ऑलरेडी 1 घंटे से वो लोग खेल रहे थे. So the action is continuing in the past. We will see the sentence pattern of past perfect continuous tense. So first of all, assertive, negative and interrogative. Assertive sentence: subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For negative, subject plus had not been plus V1 plus ing plus object. For interrogative, had plus subject plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object plus question mark. Okay. So for this sentence, if you want to identify if this is the past perfect tense, we have this one: had been plus ing, V1 plus ing. If you want to identify past perfect continuous tense, you can say had been plus V1 plus ing. This is the main keywords of the past perfect tense. You can identify if this is perfect tense or not. Same like here, you can say had plus V3, had plus V3 or had plus past participle. Same, had been plus V1 plus ing. So you can say this is past perfect continuous tense. We will see one example here. He had been driving all day before he arrived. He had been driving all day before he arrived. Before he arrived, he had been driving all day. Okay, you can say like this. For negative, you have to put only not. He had not been driving all day before he arrived. So he had not been driving all day before he arrived. And for interrogative, had plus subject plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object plus question mark. You just put had in the beginning. Had he been driving all day before he arrived? Then question mark. Okay. Had he been driving all day before he arrived? Then you put question mark. So this is the past perfect continuous tense. And we will see one more example of past perfect continuous tense. Let's see. I had been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang. Okay. I had been studying for. Try to understand the sentence. I had been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang. It means he is studying, or I am studying, or I have been studying for 3 hours in the past already. When the phone rang. Okay, so when the phone rang, I had been studying for 3 hours. मैं 3 घंटे से ऑलरेडी पढ़ रहा था जब बेल बजी या तो फिर जब फोन का रिंग बजा. Okay, so I had been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang. If you want to make it negative, I had not been studying. अगर आपको नेगेटिव बनाना तो आप कैसे बनाओगे? I had not been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang. Okay, I had not been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang. For interrogative, you can ask like that. If you want to ask yourself, you can ask like that. Had I been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang? Had I been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang? Or you have another option here. If you want to ask a question, because this sentence belongs to you. I had been studying. मतलब मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था. तो अभी क्वेश्चन कौन पूछेगा? कोई दूसरा आदमी पूछेगा. तो वो आपको क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछेगा? Had you been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang? Had you been, क्योंकि कोई अदर आदमी, कोई थर्ड पर्सन आपको पूछ रहा है तो ऐसे पूछेगा. Had you been studying for 3 hours when the phone rang? Okay, you can, so somebody can ask like that, and you can make some more examples. You can make some more sentences. So it's easy for you to identify whether it's past perfect tense or other tenses. This tense will use or will helpful in direct indirect speech and active passive voice. So you can easily convert into indirect speech, and easily you can identify whether it's what is the sentence. So you can convert into active voice to the passive voice. We will discuss about active voice passive voice in next videos. Okay, later on after we finish the tenses. Okay, so this is past perfect, sorry, past tense, past perfect and past perfect, perfect continuous. When we can use past perfect tense, when we can use perfect continuous tense. I hope it's clear for you. Okay, अभी next video में हम देखेंगे future tense. Okay, और last tense future tense. So in next video we will discuss about future tense. Thank you.